Break down. To stop functioning, a machine or vehicle. My car broke down on the way to work. Bring up. To mention or introduce a topic. She brought up an interesting point during the meeting. Call off. To cancel something. They called off the picnic because of the rain. Carry on. To continue doing something. Despite the noise, he carried on with his work. Come across. To find or meet by chance. I came across an old friend at the mall. Cut down. To reduce in size or amount. We need to cut down on sugar. Drop out. To leave school or an activity before completing it. He dropped out of college after the first year. Fall apart. To break into pieces or fail completely. The chair fell apart when I sat on it. Get along. To have a good relationship with someone. They get along well with their neighbors. Give up. To stop trying or surrender. She gave up smoking last year. Go over. To review or examine something. Let's go over the plan one more time. Hold on. To wait or pause. Hold on for a minute while I find my keys. Look after. To take care of someone or something. She looks after her younger brother. Look forward to. To anticipate with pleasure. I look forward to the weekend. Make up. To invent a story or excuse to reconcile. He made up an excuse for being late. Pass out. To faint or lose consciousness. He passed out from the heat. Pick up. To lift something or someone, to learn something. She picked up the book from the table. Put off. To delay or postpone something. Don't put off your homework until the last minute. Run into. To meet someone by chance. I ran into my teacher at the grocery store. Set up. To establish or arrange something. They set up the new computer yesterday. Show up. To appear or arrive. He showed up late to the party. Take off. To leave the ground, an airplane, to become successful. The plane took off on time. Take up. To start a new hobby or activity. She took up painting as a hobby. Turn down. To refuse or reject something. He turned down the job offer. Turn up. To appear or arrive. To increase volume or intensity. The missing keys turned up in my coat pocket. Wake up. To stop sleeping. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Work out. To exercise. To solve a problem. She works out at the gym every morning. Break up. To end a relationship. They broke up after 5 years together. Check out. To investigate or examine. To leave a hotel. I need to check out of the hotel by noon. Run out of. To use up all of something. We ran out of milk this morning.